Get out. To leave a place, especially a building, vehicle, or situation. She told him to get out of the house immediately. I need to get out of this traffic jam. Get out. When information or secrets become known to people. The news about their wedding got out. I don't want this secret to get out. Get in. To enter a place, vehicle, or building. She got in the car and drove away. I couldn't get in because the door was locked. Get in. To be accepted or elected into a group, school, or organization. He got in the basketball team after practicing hard. She finally got in her dream university. Get on. To board a bus, train, plane, or bike. He got on the bus just before it left. She got on her bicycle and rode away. Get on. To have a good relationship with someone. Do you get on well with your colleagues? She gets on well with her neighbors. Get off. To leave a bus, train, plane, or bike. She got off the train at the last station. Please get off the bike before entering the shop. Get on. To continue doing something or make progress. Let's get on with the meeting. She got on with her studies despite the difficulties. Get off. To leave work or to finish a duty. I get off work at 6 p.m. He got off early today. Get down. To move down from a higher place. Be careful when you get down from the ladder. She helped the child get down from the chair. Get down. To feel sad or depressed. Rainy days always get me down. Don't let failure get you down. Get over. To recover from a difficult situation, illness, or heartbreak. She got over her flu quickly. It took him a long time to get over his breakup. Get back. To return to a place or previous situation. I will get back home by 9 p.m. She got back to work after vacation. Get back. To retrieve something that was lost or taken away. I finally got back my stolen phone. He wants to get back the money he lent his friend. Get up. To rise from bed or stand up from a sitting position. I usually get up at 6 a.m. He got up from the chair to greet his guests. Get up. To dress in a certain way, often for a special occasion. She got up in a beautiful dress for the party. Why did you get up like a superhero?
Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.